We made it all the way to hole 5. It's starting to heat up. Got like double under par last hole. It's gonna be a hole-in-one this one. Wow.
It's the new desk. Oh, dude, this is nice.
I'm doing a little cable management here. I'm so bad at cable management. Every single one of the setups I've ever had has just been a rat's nest of cables, always, no matter how hard I try.
My cable management will start out immaculate, and then I have to unplug something down the line, and then eventually it just turns into a nest.
All right, this is pretty good. The only one that's hanging is the monitor cord, which we're gonna get a new one for, so yeah. It's lining itself up, I think.
It came out sideways, so I don't think so.
Let's get it. These can go on top of Mason's pallet. That'll get done tomorrow.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground and it go off.
Today's fucking nuts.
Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, hit the ground and it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year.
Golfing today. Haven't golfed. Actually, I golfed once this season so far.
I've been golfing a couple times. I'm on a 3-day streak.
3-day streak? You golfed yesterday?
And Saturday.
Okay.
Right today, yeah. And maybe, I think I played Friday.
You're warmed up.
I am.
This is golf.
I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now.
I hit the trees up there. I was probably lined up right that way. I hit it straight, and just I wasn't facing the right direction. We need a reset, for sure.
I just wanna now and turn around now, turn around now. I just wanna turn around, dance. I just wanna
How was it, Joe?
Fucked up that one. Hold on. Better run it back.
I just wanna clap, turn around, dance.
That was so bad. So apparently what you want to do is you want to hit like right here. Really hard, but we're going to try it a different way. We're going to try and just glisten.
There you go.
Now I have a par putt.
You're gonna let him cut you off like that?
It's not worth it with him. He'll fuck the whole golf cart up just to assert dominance. Fucking motherfucker.
Sizzler?
That was like a Big Mac. We made it all the way to hole 5. It's starting to heat up. Got like double under par last hole. It's gonna be a hole-in-one this one.
Just let it happen. Be the ball. Be the ball, Danny.
Let's go, baby. I'm like behind it. Oh my gosh. Tell me I did it. Right next to it, behind it.
Nice.
Oh.
Let's go, Joe. Nice.